Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be building a marble run for my school project. Now, when I first skimmed through the slides, it seemed simple enough. Just build a marble run. So naturally I thought, hey, I'll make one with Lego. But then I hit a bit of a roadblock. The slides did say to make a marble run of your design, and well, the Lego version was copied from a book, so not quite my own. Oops. So I had to think outside the Lego box. Enter my 3D printer, and a huge shout out to my dad for helping me out. He really stepped in and saved the day. Here's what I did. I started by designing one course, and then I mirrored it to make 2 parts. I even added a little drop because the slides mentioned putting in something thrilling. So, gotta keep it exciting for the marble, right? The only issue? The top part was a bit wobbly. No one wants a shaky marble run, so I used iron string to stabilize it. Not the most glamorous solution, but hey, it worked. So, that's where I'm at right now. Stay tuned to see how it all turns out.